Hello everyone, I am Anirudh, presenting my second task, Exploratory Data Analysis on sales of a store, as a part of internship at the Sparks Foundation. In this notebook, I have used Python to perform ETA, and here is the link to the dataset. So let's get started with coding. First of all, we will have to import all the necessary libraries uh, like pandas, numpy, cbon, and matplotlib. Then we will have to read the dataset using the pandas function read.pd.readcsv. Now let's get some basic insights of the data. Here are 5 random rows from the dataset. These are top 5 values followed by last 5 values from the dataset. From the df.shape, we now know that our dataset has 9994 rows and 13 columns. So after that, from info and describe, the function df.info, we get a concise summary of the data frame followed by df.describe, which gives us statistical data like mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum percentile, etc. So now we will check for the number of unique values in each column. So as you can say, ship mode has 4, segment has 3, country has 1, that is United States. Now we will have to check for null values. So as our data has no null or missing data, we can proceed to data visualization. I have used sns.pairplot here, which basically plots pairwise relation in the dataset. On the diagonal we have bar plots, and every other relation is showed using scatter plot. Now I used heat map to visualize the correlation between columns. Here the lightest color shows the perfect positive correlation and the darkest shows no correlation at all. Like discount and profit has no correlation, and profit itself have a 100% correlation. Also we can see that profit and sales have a correlation nearly of 60%. After this, I have graphs showing the profit and sales, grouped them by subcategories. Then here are the graphs of discount and quantity. Here are the graphs of discount and quantity with profit based on their subcategories. From this we can see that in the subcategory tables, the loss is maximum followed by bookcases. Now we have distribution plots of various features which shows the variation in the data distribution. Here as you can see, the distribution plot of sales is rightly skewed or positively skewed, and the distribution plot of profit is normally distributed. Then we have count plot of quantity based on the different regions, and these are the regions depending on their quantity and their counts. So the quantity of 3 is maximum and 2 followed by 2. then 5, 4, 1. At last, we have graphs showing sales with different shipping modes or segments. Like the ship mode was second class, standard class, first class, or the same day segments, consumer, corporate, or home office. So we have some important findings from all these visualizations, such as the mode of shipping doesn't affect much to the sales or the features. Profit and discounts are very highly related over less quantity of products. The sales are high and etc. So this was my complete task. Thanks a lot.